Hey guys, this message goes out to pastors, youth pastors, and nonprofit organizations that you may need some growth in your church or your groups that you need to raise funds with. I've just came out with a new classroom style series to help people with marketing and help people with software programs. Workshops and lessons that you can take so that you can start growing your church. You can start raising money quickly and doing it online. But regardless of that, the purpose of it is to prosper, okay? Is to teach people on how to prosper. I feel like, I've been going to church, over 20 years. And I felt like God gave me a mandate to teach His people to prosper. If you're a pastor, you know the things that your parishioners are going through. So we're here to help, okay? Like I said, it's free so that you can get a clue on what type of classroom sessions that you're going to receive. Like, for example, I teach on, how to create videos, how to create a script for your videos, how to edit those videos so that you can go online just like I am now and to be able to convey your message to as many people as possible. All right, I've got another course on there. It's called the Take Action series. Each week you'll get a different lesson for each course, okay? And I've got over 64 videos that you definitely want to check out because all of it has to do with how to run software and how to use marketing. I have a course in there about ad copy formula. There is a formula that you need to do when you're doing ad copy, okay? It doesn't matter, if you're a profit or non-profit, it's all the same. Only the wording changes, okay? To reach that audience that you're reaching. And you guys know this, when it comes to fundraising and things like that, but, we're taking it to the extra level. We're taking it to the extra step. I'm going to show you how to create ads for your nonprofits, for your churches. I'm going to show you how your parishioners can make money on the side to pay for those extra bills by learning these services that they can offer and then charging a fee to people in the community. I mean, this is really big. So check out the Get a Clue Classroom. Sign up. You'll get my free course, Passion to Profits, where I teach people how to take their passions and their desires and make money at it, make a living at it, so they can do it to the rest of their lives. I'm sure your parishioners, your members will definitely enjoy that. So take a look at that, the GetAClueClassroom.com. Thanks again for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.